Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In today's video, I will show you how to play a video in a real time on any object in Unreal Engine 5. As you can see, my video is playing smoothly and perfectly in a real time on the object in Unreal Engine 5. So this is very easy tutorial to follow, and by the end of the video you will be able to display videos on TV, screens, billboards or any mesh in your game. So let's get started. So you can see I am in a default Unreal Engine 30% character template. On here in the content folder, first I create a new folder with the name called movies. Make sure you create the same folder with the same name and with the same spelling. Just open that folder. After that, now I have this video which I used in my this tutorial. I just copied that video and now go to the folder Unreal Engine project folder. Now I am in a Unreal Engine project folder. Go to content folder. Now you can see I have the same folder which I create in Unreal Engine. Now it is also created on here. Just open that movies folder and just paste the video on here. After that I get back to Unreal Engine. Now in movies folder I import the same file that I placed in the movies folder in the Unreal Engine project folder. Now I have this video, just open and it will automatically import to your Unreal Engine. Now when you import, you can see it create a file with the name file media source. Just open it. When you open it, you can see you have a file path with movies and video on next to your video name. So make sure your file path is exactly the same as currently I have, and after that just save it. Now select your file media source and go in a media tab and select the media player. Just check this checkbox that show video output media texture accept and press the OK button. Now when you press enter, it will create two files for you. Now I have this mesh where I want to play my video. Just I drag my media textures and place on this mesh. When you placed on this mesh, you see it create an automatically material for you. Now in details panels, I see in details. Now it create the materials for me. So after that, I go in my level blueprint. Now in level 30% level blueprint, I create a new variable called media player and just select the type media player. Select media player and object reference, compile it, save it. When you compile it and click on media player, it will give you a option of the media player. Just select your new media player and now drag and get media player and search for the open source. Connect to the event begin play. Now on open source, also select your media source, and after that I just simply play the video. Now this is the setup for the play the video. For the audio component, just go in a detail panel and select the mesh, and in the detail panel search for the media and select the media sound. Now you can see it create some files for you. Now go in a media and select the option of the media player and just select your new media player. Now save it. After that, when I test this, as you can see, the video is playing smoothly in a real time on object, and you can use the same method to create TV, security cameras, billboard, digital screen, advertisements, and many other interactive objects in your game. And it is a simple setup, but it is extremely useful for many different projects. So that's all for this tutorial. If it helps you, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.